5 herbs you must include in your diabetes management. You're sitting down to enjoy a nice, home-cooked meal, but as you glance at the plate, a lingering worry crosses your mind. Will this meal spike your blood sugar levels? The constant concern about managing diabetes can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine if there were natural, easy ways to support your body and keep your blood sugar levels in check. In fact, nearly 1 in 10 adults in the US have diabetes, and many more are at risk of developing it. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, managing blood sugar through diet and lifestyle can help prevent complications like nerve damage and heart disease, making it crucial to make the right choices every day. That's why in today's video, we're going to explore 5 powerful herbs that you absolutely need to include in your diabetes management plan. These herbs can help stabilize blood sugar and promote overall wellness, offering you a natural way to support your health each day. Are you already using any herbs for diabetes control? Share your experiences in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. 1. Cinnamon, the sweet spice for blood sugar control. Cinnamon is more than just a fragrant kitchen spice, it's a metabolic powerhouse that plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. Scientific studies have shown that cinnamaldehyde, a key compound in cinnamon, activates antioxidant enzymes, reducing inflammation and preventing cell damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily significantly lowers post-meal blood sugar levels in diabetics. Additionally, cinnamon slows gastric emptying, helping to control hunger and reduce sugar cravings, an essential factor in maintaining stable glucose levels. Another powerful compound in cinnamon is methylhydroxycone polymer, MHCP, which mimics insulin and enhances glucose absorption by cells, naturally lowering blood sugar. A study from Columbia University found that diabetic patients who consumed cinnamon for 90 days experienced an average HbA1c reduction of 0.83%, proving that cinnamon offers both immediate and long-term benefits. One of the easiest and most effective ways to consume cinnamon is by making cinnamon tea. Simply boil a stick of Ceylon cinnamon in water for about 10 minutes, let it cool slightly, and add a teaspoon of raw honey for enhanced flavor. Drinking this in the morning helps boost metabolism and provide steady energy throughout the day. For those who enjoy warm flavors in their meals, sprinkling cinnamon powder over oatmeal or blending it into a smoothie can be an excellent way to incorporate it into your diet. Interestingly, research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that pairing cinnamon with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt or nuts optimizes blood sugar control. Beyond regulating blood sugar, cinnamon offers neuroprotective benefits. A study in neuroimmune pharmacology suggests that cinnamon can reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, both of which are linked to insulin resistance in the brain. Furthermore, cinnamon enhances memory and cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Cinnamon also plays a significant role in heart health. According to Annals of Family Medicine, adding cinnamon to your diet can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by 10 to 30% while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease, a major concern for diabetics. While cinnamon is incredibly beneficial, it should be consumed in moderation. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, which may harm the liver if consumed in excess. Opt for Ceylon cinnamon, which has lower coumarin levels and is safer for long-term use. If you're on diabetes medication, consult your doctor before adding cinnamon to your daily routine to prevent potential interactions. 2. Aloe vera, the sugar-stabilizing superfood. Aloe vera is widely known for soothing burns, but few realize its incredible potential in blood sugar control. A study published in the International Journal of Phytotherapy and Phytopharmacology revealed that incorporating aloe vera into a daily diet can reduce blood sugar levels by 15 to 25% within just 4 weeks. This is largely due to glucomannan, a soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption and promotes satiety, helping diabetics curb sugar cravings. Additionally, aloe vera is rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, chromium, and zinc, all of which play a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. A study from Bangkok University found that diabetic patients who consumed aloe vera for 8 weeks saw an average HbA1c reduction of 1.05%, demonstrating its long-term metabolic benefits. One of the best ways to consume aloe vera is by making a green smoothie. Blend 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, ensuring the yellow aloin is removed, with 1/2 an avocado, 200 milliliters of coconut water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This refreshing smoothie not only delivers essential vitamins and minerals but also supports digestive health. You can also mix aloe vera gel into unsweetened yogurt or pair it with chia seeds for a fiber and protein-rich snack. Research from the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition suggests that combining aloe vera with antioxidant-rich foods helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the key factors contributing to diabetes complications. Beyond blood sugar control, aloe vera supports liver and kidney health, 2 organs often affected by diabetes. A study published in the Indian Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that aloe vera supplementation reduced ALT and AST liver enzyme levels by up to 20%, while also improving kidney function in type 2 diabetics. Aloe vera is also beneficial for skin health and wound healing. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that topical aloe vera applications accelerate the healing of diabetic foot ulcers by up to 50%, highlighting its powerful regenerative properties. Although aloe vera is highly beneficial, it should be consumed with caution. Always choose decolorized aloe vera juice, as non-decolorized versions may contain harmful compounds that irritate the gut. If you are taking diabetes medications, consult your doctor before incorporating aloe vera into your diet to avoid potential interactions. 3. Holy basil, Tulsi, the stress-reducing insulin booster. Holy basil, or Tulsi, has been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, but modern science is now confirming its incredible benefits, especially for diabetics. This herb is packed with potent bioactive compounds like eugenol, ursolic acid, and rosmarinic acid, which work together to regulate blood sugar levels. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Tulsi enhances insulin secretion while improving glucose metabolism, helping cells absorb sugar more efficiently. Additionally, Tulsi increases the activity of glucokinase, an enzyme that plays a critical role in breaking down glucose. One of the lesser-known yet vital benefits of Tulsi is its ability to combat oxidative stress. A study from evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine revealed that regular consumption of Tulsi reduces fasting blood sugar levels by up to 17% and post-meal blood sugar levels by 7 to 9%. This is due to its high concentration of antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals that can damage pancreatic beta cells, the cells responsible for insulin production. Drinking Tulsi tea is one of the simplest ways to incorporate it into your routine. To make a refreshing cup, boil 5 to 7 fresh holy basil leaves in 250 milliliters of water for about 5 minutes. Adding a slice of lemon enhances its antioxidant properties and makes for a soothing morning drink that naturally supports insulin regulation. Another option is to blend Tulsi into smoothies. Simply add a handful of Tulsi leaves to a green smoothie with spinach, cucumber, and unsweetened almond milk. This not only helps regulate blood sugar but also supports digestion and boosts overall well-being. Beyond its direct impact on blood sugar, Tulsi is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body combat stress, a crucial factor for diabetics. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which in turn leads to blood sugar spikes and increased insulin resistance. A study in phytomedicine found that Tulsi reduces cortisol levels by 39% in individuals under chronic stress, making it a natural ally in preventing stress-induced glucose fluctuations. Tulsi also supports cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, 2 common concerns for diabetics. According to the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine, daily Tulsi consumption lowers LDL cholesterol by 11% and increases HDL, good cholesterol, by 15%, providing comprehensive metabolic support. For those looking for a more concentrated dose, Tulsi essential oil is a fantastic option. Just 1 drop in a glass of warm water can amplify its benefits, especially for those who struggle with maintaining consistent blood sugar levels. 4. Turmeric, the anti-inflammatory protector. Turmeric is more than just a vibrant golden spice, it's a scientifically backed weapon against diabetes. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory and insulin-sensitizing properties. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in diabetes progression, as it damages pancreatic beta cells and worsens insulin resistance. A 2012 study published in Diabetes Care found that pre-diabetic individuals who took curcumin supplements for 9 months had a 100% prevention rate of developing type 2 diabetes, highlighting its profound protective effects. Curcumin also plays a vital role in reducing fasting blood sugar levels. Research from the Journal of Endocrinology demonstrated that patients taking curcumin daily experienced an 18 to 29% drop in fasting blood glucose after 12 weeks, making it as effective as some first-line diabetes medications. Furthermore, turmeric enhances the function of GLUT4, a protein responsible for transporting glucose into muscle cells, improving overall insulin efficiency. One of the best ways to harness the power of turmeric is by making golden milk. To prepare, heat 250 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk and stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric along with a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper contains piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%, ensuring you get the maximum benefits from this potent spice. Drinking this before bedtime not only stabilizes blood sugar overnight but also promotes relaxation and deep sleep, another essential factor in diabetes management. For those who prefer savory dishes, adding turmeric to soups, curries, or roasted vegetables is an easy way to integrate it into daily meals. Studies show that consuming turmeric with healthy fats, such as coconut oil or ghee, further improves curcumin absorption, making it even more effective in blood sugar control. Beyond its effects on glucose metabolism, turmeric offers another crucial benefit: it alleviates diabetic neuropathy, a common complication characterized by nerve pain and tingling sensations in the hands and feet. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Pain Research found that patients with diabetic neuropathy who took curcumin supplements reported a 40% reduction in nerve pain within 8 weeks. This makes turmeric a natural alternative to painkillers, which often come with unwanted side effects. Additionally, turmeric supports liver health, which is essential for diabetics as the liver plays a crucial role in regulating glucose storage and fat metabolism. Research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that curcumin reduces liver fat accumulation by 21%, decreasing the risk of fatty liver disease, a condition that often accompanies diabetes. To further enhance turmeric's effectiveness, consider pairing it with cinnamon or ginger. Both spices have their own blood sugar-lowering properties, and when combined, they create a powerhouse blend that supports metabolic health from multiple angles. A turmeric cinnamon latte with a dash of honey could be a delicious and therapeutic addition to your routine. 5. Mulberry leaves, the natural sugar absorption blocker. When it comes to regulating blood sugar, mulberry leaves are a true game changer. These leaves contain a unique compound called 1-deoxynitrogenamycin, DNJ, which inhibits the activity of carbohydrate-digesting enzymes in the intestines. As a result, glucose is released into the bloodstream at a much slower rate, preventing dangerous post-meal sugar spikes. A study published in PLOS1 found that diabetic patients who consumed mulberry leaf extract before meals experienced a 44% reduction in postprandial blood sugar levels compared to those who did not. Additionally, mulberry leaves are rich in flavonoids and alkaloids, which provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, helping to combat oxidative stress, a key factor in diabetes complications. Beyond blood sugar control, mulberry leaves play a role in lipid metabolism. Research from the Journal of Functional Foods revealed that mulberry leaf extract can lower LDL cholesterol by 12% and increase HDL cholesterol by 8%, making it a powerful ally in preventing cardiovascular diseases, which are common in diabetics. One of the easiest ways to incorporate mulberry leaves into your daily routine is by making mulberry leaf tea. Simply boil 5 grams of dried mulberry leaves in 300 milliliters of water for about 5 minutes, let it cool slightly, and drink it 15 to 30 minutes before meals. This helps slow glucose absorption and stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. For a stronger effect, consider pairing mulberry leaf tea with cinnamon. Since cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity while mulberry leaves block sugar absorption, they work synergistically to regulate glucose levels more effectively. Alternatively, mulberry leaf extract is available in capsule form for those looking for a convenient option. While most people recognize mulberry leaves for their role in managing diabetes, few know that they also offer significant benefits for eye health. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, these leaves help protect against diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of vision loss among diabetics. A study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that lutein supplementation improved retinal function and reduced oxidative damage in diabetic patients. Mulberry leaves also have neuroprotective properties. Research from the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that the antioxidants found in these leaves can help protect nerve cells from damage, reducing the risk of diabetic neuropathy, a common complication that leads to pain, tingling, and numbness in the extremities. Although mulberry leaves are highly beneficial, they should be consumed in moderation. If taken in excess, they may cause a rapid drop in blood sugar, leading to dizziness or fatigue. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding mulberry leaves to your regimen, especially if you are taking diabetes medication to avoid potential interactions. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. It really helps spread this life-changing information to more people like you. In summary, ignoring these powerful natural solutions is a dangerous mistake. Without them, your blood sugar may spiral out of control, leading to nerve damage, kidney failure, and even blindness. No doctor, no medicine can reverse the damage once it's too late. But the good news? The solutions in this video are simple, natural, and incredibly effective. The choice is yours. Take control today, or risk facing a future where diabetes dictates every part of your life. While waiting for the next video, the 4 on your screen right now are perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you next time.